excited for this fight again.
Yeah.
60 kg female. They know each other, but they haven't fought so far.
Oh, yeah. She also used to be in APS, Chanda Bhuzel before.
Yeah.
And now she's into different gym.
Both the fighters, Chanda Bhuzel starting with the inside kick.
They look pretty strong.
And
Let's see
Sumitra's landing those clean punches.
What I did notice from Chanda when I was fighting was she does have good footwork, you know.
And also very good tips.
Yeah.
She has good tips. Both the fighter entering at the clinch, framing and a knee.
Ooh. Guys, don't forget we have elbows too now.
I'm pretty sure we're going to see it in the next few minutes. Hopefully in the first round.
Nice low kick, but we will check.
Sumitra coming from a karate background, but still punching very well right away without any hesitation. Whereas Chanda Bhuzel doing those very good tips as Sumitra is keeping the pressure.
Ooh, knee to the head. I like how Sumitra is literally bulldozing onto Chanda while Chanda is trying to take an angle and circling out, but that literally didn't stop Sumitra from coming and hitting her.
And also that's a very good advantage for her because she can cut the distance and can do a lot of inside work because remember you said like Chanda has very good footwork.
Yeah.
So that will stop her from moving out, circling around and other things.
Yeah. I think she needs to, whenever Sumitra just comes or bars is in, she just needs to take an angle and then hit while Sumitra is in an off angle. But see, yeah.
That landed clean on Chanda Bhuzel.
Yeah.
That might have made a significant difference in the fight.
Yeah.
And followed with the knees to the body. I like how Sumitra is framing.
Yeah.
She's having a very good frame.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I was excited over Sumitra Nagarkoti too because the way she's literally pressuring her and coming with all sorts of attacks.
Did I just see a small elbow inside as they were exiting? Looks like I have. From Chanda Bhuzel it was.
I think Chanda Bhuzel, she needs to be a little bit more active. Instead of literally going back, she needs to take an angle.
That's right. She's going linearly, like straight back. And Sumitra is catching her with a cross. And that's landing clean.
And whenever they are in clinch, Sumitra is putting all her weight on Chanda Bhuzel and making her tired, you know.
Yes.
That's one of the strategies. And at that time, she also even kneed on her face, which is a pretty good strategy.
We have seen Tyson Fury using it very well in boxing.
Yeah.
If anybody from boxing background are watching it, they know what we're talking about.
Yeah. Ooh.
Nice punches from Sumitra, ending up in the clinch and knees followed by it.
Ooh, that was an elbow.
It was a good elbow, but not matching anything because she was not in the position to land it clean.
Yeah.
But a very good attempt from Chanda Bhuzel in that fight. So, as you said, it might be a few elbows coming out.
Yeah. Ooh, nice tip.
The tips from both the fighters are good, but I think the pressure from Sumitra is different level. She's just coming forward and catching.
As they are for the same pro fight, you know, you see the skills in next level.
And also the elbows and knees attempt by both the fighters on the face and knees. Both Sumitra going to the Muay Thai stance and Chanda Bhuzel going in.
Sumitra is using her weight advantage at fullest, you know.
She is, which is working out so far.
Yeah.
Because Chanda Bhuzel is not able to neutralize it. She needs to frame, get the knee in to stop the person from barging in. Or then pivot out.
Yeah.
And that's when...
She's doing good, you know, stepping back and kick, but that's not stopping Sumitra from coming and hitting her.
And also there was an accidental elbow from Sumitra as she went on back on the ropes and came forward.
Oh.
And it landed clean on Chanda Bhujal. But before that, Chanda Bhujal landed a very good cross.
Chanda needs to attack more, you know.
It's good punches from both the fighters. Chanda Bhujal switching the stance for a momentary there.
I think the punches landing from Sumitra is getting on her. She just need to brush it off and then just focus on what's coming from her. Ooh, that was a nice tip from Chanda. Now she needs to set that up and then go with the punches.
I agree. She needs to feint a bit more, maybe move an angle, get the angle out as she is going back, and then do her attacks more. Because whenever Chanda is doing anything, Sumitra is just rushing linearly. Just
Ooh, nice. And then
good tip kicks.
that's how she's supposed to fight. She needs to get an angle, hit, and then get out because Sumitra is very good at offending, and she has been succeeding in offending and doing her attacks.
And Sumitra is the pressure fighter. And
Yeah.
Chanda Bhujal needs to be a bit more technical to make sure that the damage is taken less. Referee asking the corners to be outside the ring. Don't keep their hands on the ring. Must. Chanda Bhujal, though she is still forward, but Sumitra is keeping the pressure in.
Yes.
And she's not stopping. She's just going with a volume of punches.
Ooh, see, that's how she needs to move it. Now the punches are getting in, you know.
And that's making Sumitra to think twice
Yeah.
before entering in.
Yeah, now we see the hesitant from Sumitra.
It's good kick exchange by both the fighters.
Ooh, that was a nice jab.
Chanda Bhujal getting very good success with the kicks there as Sumitra tries to come in.
Ooh.
So for people who don't know, when somebody shakes the head, that means it didn't make that damage. That's what they're trying to say. But in reality,
It
it's
is
different.
making damage.
That's a way of third round of
Third round?
Yeah,
Oh
this is
yeah.
third
Oh
round.
my God.
a very good back and forth from both the fighters.
Ooh,
Chanda
that was
Bhujal
nice head kick, but
from the blue corner. And
Ooh.
Sumitra.
I think if Chanda can neutralize the offense that Sumitra is coming in, then she might have the chance. Like
She needs to start using her tips because it was working for her.
yeah.
And
Ooh, nice punch
Nice
from
punches.
Chanda.
And Sumitra has to keep her head off the center line because whenever she is going straight, she's getting caught sometimes.
Yeah, Sumitra needs to do her fence and then go for the punches and kicks.
They end up in the clinch with.
Ooh, there was an elbow.
So the reason why they are not, the referee is not allowing them to work on the clinch is because there's a bit of stalemate. If any of the fighters is doing any offense, then the clinches is allowed.
I like how she's pushing off with that jab so that Chanda can't hit back to her.
1 minute has finished so far. We have the last 2 minutes of the first female bout and also the first pro bout.
For us, it looks like time is going so fast, but for them,
It's super slow. Super slow. Super slow.
I can say from experience.
And the crowd is excited for this fight.
Yeah, they're
All-
going wild. They're cheering for Chanda, they're cheering for Sumitra. They're making me want to go inside the ring and fight, you know, Sawan.
Even there's time for it. But before that, let's try to, enjoy this beautiful fight from both the ladies here. Chanda Bhujal switching the stance, trying to confuse it.
You know how like Sumitra reacted to that feint push kick? She needs to capitalize that. But see, like, that's what I like about Sumitra. So whenever she goes in, she just goes all out and then she makes Chanda overwhelming with all the attacks that
Good
she's
elbow
doing.
attempt and the clinch by Chanda Bhujal, but not making
Significant damage.
It was a slight touch, but it's good to see. That opens up space for other fighters to, be with the coffin. Good knees by both the fighters. Man, both the fighters are demonstrating all skills of Muay Thai, which is the art of 8 limbs.
I think Chanda is now succeeding in handling that offense from Sumitra, and she is doing good elbows to make Sumitra hesitant. But
With
with
that, we are in the last 10 seconds of the third round.
the last 10 seconds, and then
That's
time
a beautiful-
over. This fight went on super fast.
And now the winner is from the red corner, Sumitra Nagarkoti.